Hello, and welcome to today's story, The Lost Key. This is a simple and fun story to help you practice your English listening skills. Listen carefully and try to understand the words and sentences. Now, let's begin. Anna was walking home from school. It was a sunny afternoon, and she was humming a song. Her school bag swung back and forth as she walked. When she reached her house, she put her hand in her pocket to take out her key. But her fingers touched nothing. She frowned and checked her other pocket. Still nothing. "Where is my key?" she said to herself. Anna quickly opened her bag and searched inside. Books, pencils, and a lunchbox, but no key. She looked around, thinking hard. "Maybe I dropped it on the way home," she thought. She turned around and walked back the way she came, looking carefully at the ground. She checked near the park, near the school gate, and even near the ice cream shop where she had stopped earlier. But the key was nowhere to be found. Suddenly, she heard a small voice behind her. "Are you looking for this?" Anna turned around. A little boy was standing there, holding up a shiny key. Her eyes widened. "Yes, that's my key." She stepped forward to take it, but the boy quickly pulled his hand back. "I will give it to you," he said with a grin, "but first, you have to find my lost toy." Anna sighed but smiled. "All right. Let's find your toy." The boy explained that he had a small red car. He had been playing with it near the park, but when he saw Anna's key on the ground and picked it up, his toy car disappeared. Anna and the boy started searching. They looked under benches, in the grass, and near the trees. Then, Anna spotted something red in the bushes. She ran over and picked it up. It was the boy's toy car. "I found it," she said excitedly. The boy clapped his hands and smiled. "Thank you." He held out Anna's key. "Here is your key." Anna took the key and felt happy. "Thank you too," she said. She ran home, holding the key tightly. She had learned an important lesson that day: sometimes, to get help, you must help others too. And that was the story of The Lost Key. I hope you enjoyed listening. Did you learn something from the story? Sometimes, helping others can bring good things back to you. Keep practicing your English every day, and you will improve. Thank you for listening,